How to change TikTok profile picture. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change your TikTok profile picture. This is very simple process, so without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on your profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in your profile section, you can see the option labeled Edit Profile. So simply tap on that. Now here you can see the option labeled Change Photo. So simply tap on that, and after tapping on that you will see three options. Simply tap on Take Photo. Now your device camera will be open. All you need to do is just click a photo for your profile. And once you're done with that, simply tap on Save and Post and your profile picture will be saved. You can also upload your profile picture from your gallery too. To do that, simply tap on Change Photo again, and after that simply tap on Select from Gallery. Now simply select the photo from your gallery, and once you're done with that, simply tap on Save and Post. And that's it. That's how you can change the photo on your profile picture. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.